In this lesson, we will build an intuitive picture for list comprehensions and for lambda functions in Python. Along the way, we will visualize inputs flowing through transformations and filters, and we will see where each piece of syntax fits in. First, the anatomy of a list comprehension. Read it left to right as new item comes from each item in the iterable, optionally keeping it only when a condition is true. I will color code the 3 parts and label them on the diagram. Now, let's add braces to call out each role. Finally, think of data flowing from the iterable through a filter into a transformation. Example 1. Build the squares of 0 through 9. The iterable is range of 10, there is no filter, and the transform is x squared. Watch inputs flow to outputs. Example 2. Filter only the even numbers from a list. Read it as n from nums only if n modulo 2 equals 0. Items failing the condition are blocked by the filter. Example 3. Uppercase only the words with more than 3 letters. The condition keeps the longer words, and the transform uppercase them. Notice short words are filtered out. Next, lambda functions. A lambda is a tiny one-expression function that you often pass to tools like map, filter, and sorted. The arguments go on the left, a single expression goes on the right. 3 classic uses. First, map with lambda x arrow x squared. Second, filter with lambda x keeps odds. Third, sorted with a key that picks the second item of each pair. Finally, a combined example. On the left, map with lambda after filter. On the right, the equivalent list comprehension. Both produce the same list of even squares from 0 to 9. Notice the identical outputs. Key takeaways. Use a list comprehension when you are building a list by transforming items, optionally filtering. Use a lambda when you need a short one-off function, especially as a map, filter, or sorted key. Great work! You now have an intuitive picture for list comprehensions and for lambda functions, and you can choose the right tool for concise, readable Python.